All right, where are we, guys?
Bate Island.
Cool. How do you like this island?
It's cool.
It's pretty amazing. And look, over here, there's a lady petting a squirrel.
Oh, they're super great.
Look, they're like, the squirrels just come up to you. They want food.
Look at the geese.
Look at all the baby geese, huh? Wow.
I'm scared of all the bugs here.
There's a lot of bugs here. And I think these geese are eating the bugs. Look at all the bugs. And look at these geese are just sitting in the road. They're just like, hey, road. It's okay. We don't mind getting run over. It's not amazing.
This bridge is really halfway through.
Look at all the dead bugs on the floor.
And all the dead bugs. There's lots of alive bugs over there.
Yeah, we had to get away from there because there was too many bugs.
Yeah, I was super scared.
What happened, guys?
We had to take a detour onto a busy road.
Oh my gosh, huh?
We're about to go back onto the path.
Hopefully we get back on there soon. It's not very fun, is it, Ogie?
Oh, my God.
You know this kid?
Where are we coming from?
That bridge over there.
So I think we were on that island there. And we came across this bridge. Then we went up the river, but it turned out the path was closed and we didn't read the sign. Look how nice the clouds look, guys. So then we biked back after we read the signs. And we've come back this far. And now we're tired.
Fantastic.
We made it. Our favorite pizza joint, eh? That's where we go and eat pizza and play pool one single time. It's so awesome.
And the pizza's yummy.
Pizza's pretty yummy. And it's also expensive though. And now we're going over to the Quickie.
Hello.
What are we doing right now? Taking a little break? Drinking some Prime? We got some Austin Matthews Prime. Ooh. So good. Is it any good? What do you like better? Austin Matthews?
This one's also great.
Cool.
It tastes like strawberry banana yogurt.
Can I try some?
Yeah, it tastes like strawberry bananas actually.
Cool. What do we see, guys?
So many bugs.
So many bugs. So many bugs.
There's so many.
Thinking some nice people just hanging out on the beach. And more bugs.
Many.
Look at how many bugs there are. It's crazy. Let's try slow-mo.
Baby, look at the one over there. That one got very close to me.
Cool.
Uh-oh, the bird. I don't want it to let me down.
No. They're dangerous.
Look at the other one.
Look at that little one over there.
They're running from the dog.
Oh, is there a dog?
Yeah,